Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be day 12 working on Project Betty, the 76 Monarch. And one of the first things I need to do today is start to put some stuff away and make room in here so I can work easier on Betty. Now I have space on this side of the car. On the other side, it's very limited. And the weather is like single digits, so I can't be opening up the garage and moving things easy. But I've got tools and equipment scattered all over. I got Bondo dust, grinding dust, just stuff scattered all around. So I need to straighten this mess up, regroup. Now what I'm going to try to do, put Jack under the rear end and see if I can pull the car over this way. Allow myself some room back there. And I don't know. In theory, it should work. Now I just have to implement it and see if I'm right. The reason I want to move the car is the wheel lip area on the passenger side still has to be done. And I don't have a lot of space in here to do it. You know, I've been complaining about that for a week. But now it's time to do something about it. So first step, put all this junk away, sweep up some floor dust, vacuum some Bondo dust, jack the car up and move it. I have all the tools off the floor, swept up a bunch of stuff, got the tires out from underneath the car. Now I'm going to jack it up, pull the jack stands out, and then see if I can wheel the car over to the side. Should be able to get the jack stands out of there now. Yep. There's one. I'm going to grab the other. Yeah, I think what probably the smartest thing would be get the car down as low as it'll go and then pull on the jack. I can move the handle off to the side. All right, the car's already moving. That's good. I'm going to drop her down. Okay. So now I should be able to move this. Let me try pushing it. Yeah, Bubby. Now I got room. Take a walk and I'll show you. Gonna get tighter walking through here, but doable. Now over here, I've got twice as much room as I had. I'm gonna jack it up, back on jack stands, slide the tires under there, and then I'll have access to this area. Excellent. All right, now I got some room to work on this side here. This one piece gonna go in there. Whoops, over here. Still gotta do some cutting or shaping or doing something on there. I cut some of that away. And this piece gonna go on here over that. In fact, I wonder if I can hook these two together before I put them on the car. it's possible. I might want to pursue that route. But first thing I got to do, and it's like 0 or 1 or 2 degrees outside. There's a cold draft down here on the floor. My poor furnace has been running for hours straight to handle this cold. So I think I'm going to start layering up, give the furnace a break and turn it down. I got to figure out what I'm going to do here. Looks like I need to cut some of this away or pound it in. Actually, this is the one I really should be worried about. Backside, I can do what I want. So that's going to fit in there. So with the backside back in here, yep, I'm going to have to cut that unless I put this on the inside. Brr, you know what? It's one of those times. Things just aren't going right. It's cold in here. And I don't feel like doing this. So, this is going to be a short day. Day 12 is going to be the end. Thanks for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Please come back for day 13. Hopefully it'll be a better day. It's just too cold in here to work. Bye.